In this video, I'll be showing you my Candor review. So in a nutshell, Candor is a step-by-step training on how you can make those affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus Marketplace without doing launch checking, without creating review videos using a secret traffic source. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Candor. I'll be showing you my bonuses which I've crafted especially for you guys if you decide to pick up Candor using my link. And finally, I'm going to give you my verdict if this product is a good fit for you or not. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So when it comes to making the affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus, ClickBank marketplaces, people usually create some review of the products and they do it by creating these kind of review videos which I'm doing right now, or by writing a blog post where they post the review and they tell everything about the product. But not many people are getting success with that method. The launch hacking, which is what I'm doing, it has become quite saturated, and when a newbie comes into this industry and try to do launch hacking, they are not able to rank their videos, so they face these kind of problems. And to address that problem, this particular product Candor has been created, and this product talks about using a secret traffic source, and that is a paid traffic source. That is not Google ads, solo ads, Facebook ad. That is something different, and this will teach you step by step on how you can create those campaigns inside that secret traffic source, and you can make those affiliate commissions. So now let me just take you inside the members area of Candor and show you around. So this is how the members area gonna look like, and you will have all these trainings over here. So first you will get the overview of the method. You're also going to get the welcome video, and then you will learn about dominate with the golden traffic source. So inside this you will learn about all these different things which you have to do in order to set up your campaign and everything. And then the section number 2 talks about using free traffic, and how you can use free traffic to make those affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus and other marketplaces. And then you have the conclusion along with the next steps as to what you need to do. And then there are some bonuses and unannounced bonuses. Talking about bonuses, I have also compiled very nice bonuses for you guys that is going to complement the product. The link to that bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this particular bonus page of mine, and you need to make sure that you pick up these bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. Now talking about the bonuses, the first bonus which I'm going to offer to you is my business breakthrough session. That is going to be one-on-one 60-minute coaching call with me, where we can discuss about anything related to online business. If you're stuck somewhere, if you need any assistance, that is going to be your chance with me to discuss on that particular thing. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you training on how you can create those sales funnel for cheap. So for creating sales funnels, there are different tools which are available. One of the famous tool is ClickFunnels, but that comes with a steep $97 per month cost as well, and not many people are willing to yeah, take this cost when they are getting started with online business. So this training will teach you how you can create those sales funnel using a different software for a very low price. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you a training course on Facebook organic marketing. So with Facebook organic marketing, once you learn this strategy, you will be able to promote anything, any offer, any service on Facebook right from your Facebook profile. Bonus number 4, you're going to get access to Aurora, which is basically a software that will teach you how you can automate the $1,000 commissions, and you are going to get the Aurora software, the membership training, and as well as the license right where you can sell this Aurora software as your own and keep the 100% profits. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you training on email marketing. As we know, email marketing is the key. And if you want to do online business in the long run, then you should be having your own email list, and this training will help you doing that. And bonus number 6, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area, which I've already shown you. So you will get all these vendor bonuses right over here. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this button of Access Affiliate Bonus, and you just need to click on this button and all your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And all you need to do to make the purchase is to click on any of these buttons on this page. That will take you to this really nice looking sales page, which you can go through in your leisure time. And once you're ready to make the purchase, just need to click on the buy button on this page right here, and there will be a few more buttons on this page, and then you can complete the purchase inside the Warrior Plus marketplace. Now, talking about the price point of Candor, so you're going to get all these trainings and all my bonuses for just $12.95. That's the price for the front end in which you're going to get all the training and all my bonuses. And then you have got these additional upgrades. These are optional. If you want, you can go ahead with these, otherwise you can skip them. So the upgrade number 1 is the done for you campaigns plus the advanced training. So you will get the done for you campaigns. The campaigns will be pre-built and along with the trainings you're going to get, and that will cost you $37. Upgrade number 2 is the done for you profit blaster. So you're going to get the top converting emails you can just plug in and profit with starting today. So basically you're going to get the done for you emails for just $37. So they have already done the hard work, and they are going to give you access to their emails. Upgrade number 3 is the reseller license, where you can resell this product as your own and keep the 100% profit, and that will cost you $77. And the upgrade number 4 is the done for you traffic, where your customers will have access to the buyer traffic of a 7-figure affiliate. And along with that, you will also learn about the 7 additional traffic methods to skyrocket your campaigns with various tips and tricks to make $300 plus per day. And this will cost you $197. So these are the different price points for Candor. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. Well, as I said, there are people who want to promote products on Warrior Plus, but they're not able to get results. As I said, it is due to there are a lot many people who are doing launch checking, and that has become kind of saturated. But if you want to skip this part, if you don't want to do the videos, then you can take this training up and follow the methods which has been taught inside this training, the secret traffic source. I'm not going to tell you what that secret traffic source is, but that is a paid traffic source which not many people are using these days. So it's a thumbs up from my side. Again, whatever product I promote, I always say to pick up that product, but you just need to take action on it. Just by picking up the product just for the bonuses, that is not going to help you. You need to pick up the product and start taking action, start implementing what is taught inside that particular product. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.